this one may just bukas lakwatsa lang tayo. So ayan sa po. And we have big windows here. Oh yan, andyan yung mga kasama namin sa likod. There you go. Okay. Ayan yung outside. Ayan yung look at the mountain. Okay. Dito kami ngayon sa hotel namin sa Hudo Moab Restaurant, Hilton. Ganda siya. Very, very nice. And ang mga parking, swimming pool. Look at the ambience. It's very cool. The restaurant, the Josie White's Grill. And this is the Hudi Salon. Kunyari. And dito ako ngayon sa lobby. Dito kami sa lobby ngayon. Ito yung stair niya papunta sa second floor. Ang cute naman niya. Ito sila nalintay kami. Check out na kami. Hindi ko na on yung aking mic. I keep talking. Kala ko it's working dahil sinet up ko lang yung camera. So para makikita pa rin ako kahit na gusto kasi makita niya yung view. But anyway, hinihintay namin yung mga kasama namin because we're going back to Salt Lake. Sila maiiwan for another night. Magla-lunch lang kami and then we're going back to Salt Lake kasi it's about 4 hours drive pa ang gagawin namin. But the next day, may flight na kami going back sa Virginia. Anyway, ito yung mga picture namin habang nag-iintay kami kasi andun pa sila sa Moab kaya lang we're running out of time kasi we have to check out na soon kasi ate was very sick at this time kaya wala siyang katulong na mag-check out. Anyway, ito na, nag-lunch lang kami sa Thai restaurant and we're about to go. Okay. Ganda ng hotel nila.
Buksan na yan
Hotel nila ito.
Ano yung papanoorin naman?
Sa likod ng hotel namin, sa kanila is second level. Ice cream naman, ice cream. Okay. Ice cream kayo dyan. Ice cream. Yeah, masarap yan. Banana float.
Yeah, banana.
Banana,
Banana sundae.
split. Banana split.
Banana sundae, Tuesday na. Banana Tuesday na. Monday lang ba?
May maganda yan. Monday lang. Yes. Ate, Tuesday na ngayon. Tuesday. Tomorrow tayo alis. Wednesday.
Yung buso, bakit wala pa siya? Late na. Ano, dumating ngayon. Why are you late? Sabi niya. Sa boss, sabi niya. Too much fuck, sabi niya.
Ano yung Vietnamese? Oo. Kasi ako din eh. Ay!
You're doing that every... For what? You've been late.
Sabi niya, may hagdanan.
Ganda, oh. Ay, gagayahin ko yung design.
Yan yung bathroom.
Yung bathroom, ganun din sa baba.
Magaya. Magaya yung design.
May fireplace pa.
May fireplace pa.
Oh, beautiful. Oh,
Ang ganda naman.
ang ganda. Like it. Gagayahin na.
Yung kanila 2 beds yung kanila. Meron din silang
Dalawang
kanila.
beds.
Dito kayo, ate? Masters. Nice. Gusto ko yung style. May veranda, oh. Yeah, cause I'm gonna take a video.
They clean up the bed.
Oh, this is Kuya Darren's room.
Ito naman mga anak ko.
Ano lang?
Yes.
Sino?
Gusto ko lang yung design. Ipapa-design ko. Like it. Ganda.
Yeah, and then there's like a front porch.
Oh, really? You have? I thought just the, just the master's bedroom. Wow. My God, ang cute. So cute. Love it. Yeah, I wanna copy the style. Because I have condo in Philippines. So we have to dress up the condo. So I'm looking for ideas. Yeah, I know. But I feel bad because Ray didn't, have chance to see it. But she picked that one
Oh, this is the spot. That's good.
because she like Laguna. It's like more cooler compared to Manila
Oh yeah.
and Zambales. Yeah,
That's good.
yeah. The weather is very, very nice. Especially from November, December, January, February. Right? You don't need an AC.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a normal, like San Diego.
At doon, dito bato.
So anyway, on the way kami na sa nito sa Salt Lake, like I said, 4 hours away kami. Nakaalis kami around 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock in the afternoon. 4 hours drive. So nakabalik kami late na ng hotel for another night. Tapos early noon time ang flight namin. So anyway, ito yung kabuuan ng ang aming adventure dito sa Utah. So tapos na yung bakasyon. So I hope you like yung mga video na na-share ko sa inyo. So parang nakarating na rin kayo dito. So talagang lahat pinakita ko sa inyo. So anyway, my next is yung adventure ko na rito pagdating sa Virginia. Okay? So once again, I hope nagustuhan nyo ang journey namin ng husband ko sa Utah. Kami nag-enjoy kami kahit na it's not easy for us, kahit na malungkot, sige na lang. Pero look at that, it's worth it talaga. Priceless naman talaga yung makakita ka ng ibang lugar. So anyway, maraming salamat sa pag-follow nyo sa akin, sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng video. Thank you so much. Ito ang daan pabalik ng Salt Lake. Ganito ang lugar dito sa Utah. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for all my subscriber, and see you again next time. Take care everyone, and God bless us all. Take care. See you again next video. Bye.